Already Shin jinseo gave up to capture this group. So if there is some accident, then black might get chance. Okay, so now they are playing very slowly, right? Now this is our main fighting. And as I told you, I fell many times in such kind of a situation. That's different between me and Park Junghwan and Shin jinseo, you know. Shin jinseo is thinking that capturing rice doesn't work, so he still uses mostly powerful move. He is making Park Junghwan confused. In the local area, actually, it doesn't work. If white is just Hane here, black can't really play here. Now, black can Atari here. It's so complicated. Okay, Hane here. However, he's separate. I'm not sure whether Shin jinseo is telling to Park Junghwan this is gonna be my sente. And when you capture, I want to Hane here. At least white couldn't make one eye here. This is what Shin jinseo is saying. So still I'm gonna try to capture you. I think Shin jinseo need to surround here. While Shin jinseo is even thinking into... I cannot ignore. Now he can't give up this group. However, he has to throw in one time where... But throw in also he may not answer. Right now, if he throw in here, like this, is it too risky? Maybe. What? Is it right order? I think this. Yeah, maybe they made a mistake. I think writer made a mistake, so writer just put back just now. You saw that? Yeah. Okay, Shin jinseo. This is last situation, last chance that he can do that. But I don't think it's gonna be easy. You know, this is gonna be even sente. Black has to respond. Which means that if white just plays here, black need to Hane, white can cut. What can you do then? Black has to play such what? And even this is gonna be sente for white. Seems impossible to be captured. He will play like that. But I guess maybe white has a better move. He is earning time. But you can see that. However, Shin jinseo is making mostly difficult to move. This is different. If he was just like a normal player, he was broken already. If Park Junghwan plays like perfectly, normally most of the players just give up already. But this is Shin jinseo, that's why he is using mostly difficult to move. He even found out good move. I think this was right decision. Just like if black plays here, white wanna cut here right now, and Park Junghwan is thinking that his capturing rights will be better for him. But here, you see, difficult. But when he plays here, I think this cutting is gonna be sente. That's why he wants to make better shape here. Wow. Oh ho 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 ho. Shin jinseo punish. He is saying that this is gonna be timing of the do that. Sims need to play tiger's mouth. In case white just captured, he is saying that he will just break white eye shape like that. White really have to be careful. It hasn't done yet, everybody. And actually white has an insurance there. Yeah, white has played here. There is gonna be push and cut, and then play here. And black has to play here. If black just connect here, white cannot tarry. I think still black is not that easy. There is a big aji. White can make call. If black doesn't give the call, then white can capture one stone and get one eye anytime when he won. So if Park Junghwan just can make one eye by sente, then Shin jinseo will not have any chance to win this game. That's why now he is trying to break this eye shape very, very hard. Okay, Park Jong-un really have to be careful. In case he just accept everything like this, and White couldn't make any eye shape. That's why he will feel a bit difficult. So he just connect here. He is ready to switch again. He is looking for cutting here. Still not that easy. Still cannot say it's clean. But one thing is sure, Park Jong-un is having the weapon right now. Even though Shin jinseo is trying to capture, actually now it seems not that easy to capture. The shape is telling me. White has to go out. Now Park Jong-un is preferred to throw this group away. If Shin jinseo just connect here, then now he will return to save this group. However, when he captured, then he wanna save the center. This is gonna be enough. He's thinking about re-switching, okay? Oh, Shin jinseo, danger. I guess maybe it should be almost the last Boyomi. Danger. He just decided to trade. Just now Shin jinseo punished Park Jong-un. Park Jong-un had the chance to play this group, as that I said, like this. But now if Shin jinseo just cut here, Park Jong-un will not have any chance to play here. Such kind of a sente. Because now if White just cut here, Black can solve by one move. And even though White just cut here and Black just connect here, this connect is not gonna be sente. Black can just save here. And if White just cut here, then Black will save this group first. And however, Park Jong-un is captured without... if there was exchanged like this before, then this cutting might work. Because... okay, still we have to see that. Oh. Shin jinseo is trying to break the eye shape really hard. Oh, it's not so easy. It looks like very, very easy for Park Jong-un, but Baduk became the situation became a little bit strange right now. If White just connect here, he wanna capture all the group. Park Jong-un is keep spending time, right? Not that easy right now. Thank you very much for following me. Now I think the Park Jong-un is danger. Wow. I think maybe something made a mistake here. When he wanted to make his benefit, he couldn't use the right benefit. White couldn't use the right benefit just now. This wedge was really amazing here. This was so sharp. Park Jong-un, I think he was thinking so easy to save. That's why I think he was a bit careless. How can he save right now? If those groups are dead, I think White cannot win. It's too big. Wow. Now I think really cannot play. It's not lucky. I think the Shin jinseo was very sharp for this wedge. Okay, now Shin jinseo is even having the time attacking. I think all captured right now. White has no solution to save. If White just capture 2 stones and Black can just spend 1 move to defense, even though White made all the center, he cannot really connect here. Black can just save here. Wow, Shin jinseo. So amazing. he just catch up the one vital point. He was making all the time Park Junghwan confused. And finally he just catch up. You know, if this was the other player that I can understand, but Park Junghwan getting to Shin jinseo's trap, he has played perfectly for this game, whole game. He really played perfect. Wow. Well, I think making two eyes are not possible right now, really. Park Junghwan cannot give up. He knows that if he give up all the group, he can't win. He knows that that's why he is keep trying to make something here. But I think it's really not easy to make two eyes. Wow, Shin jinseo. Yeah, the LG Cup final was the first game was like Park Junghwan was leading whole game, right? And he made the final mistake. But before was like opposite. Even Shin jinseo was winning the game, and finally, eventually, Park Junghwan win all the time. But LG Cup final, the first game, Shin jinseo finally he found out how he could do that. Even though it was lucky, you know, actually winning and losing word there is no just lucky. I think it was the skill. Even though many people might say Shin jinseo's first game was lucky, but I don't think so. All the world champion, when they got first time, always they were winning like that. Wow, I think just he punched one time. Oh, I really can't say anything. Wow, suddenly this wedge was really amazing. I think Park Junghwan was thinking too easy way. Wow, he resigned. Wow. Wow. Just one time he was waiting for the counter punch, and just one counter punch was worked. And I guess maybe, wow, so impressive really. This was maybe too heavy. I guess maybe just attachment was right move. Because if black plays the same move, the white can actually step back here. Isn't it? Black has to break here. The white can even connect and cut here. This wedge was so amazing. It's really sharp.